yeah. Very, very many happy returns.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah. I wish you a happy birthday. Ooh, yeah. Very, very many happy returns.
It's okay, please.
Happy birthday.
I refuse to share tears in the presence of the people. I refuse. I
Happy
refuse.
birthday.
But
I
wait,
refuse.
In front of us.
No, people. No, I'm not going to cry.
I
You must
don't
cry.
think I
No, it
plan
had
to
fun.
kill you with love today.
You must cry.
Before today end, you go cry.
Yes. And it's when the
Okay.
tears was dropped. The tears
Okay.
of joy. Just we
Okay.
want to let you know before you talk. Normally now you they always they talk. We just want to tell you happy birthday. How you don't really make yourself this selfless for us to just make sure say everything is okay. Thank you so much for being there and enjoy this your new year. Happy birthday from Talk and to all of them where they're out there. Say happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Aw.
Thank you. All right.
I
Okay, back to normal.
What's be the abnormal?
Yes, today na my birthday. Now the birthday where I don't pray for things, so I don't happy for things. Yes, today na my birthday and I'm so happy. The kind of love where I get from people around me just they make me feel say I be one kind special being.
You special.
Thank you. And thanks a bunch to the Talk ladies. They are wonderful. Even Chika, the morning show ladies, as in everybody, up to our technical team.
Yes.
Oh, God. Well, not today, wonderful. Thanks a bunch to all those way they out there too. They call us today. They wish me happy birthday. Thank you so, so much. As I tell you yesterday, as I grow older, I can discover and say, come on, this life, you need to take them easy. And you need to appreciate every second.
Yes.
Every second you need to appreciate them. And I thank Baba God, they say, I see another beautiful day and another beautiful birthday. I remember this time when my mom they tell me about my birth and everything. I remember by this time, before she born me in the morning, they don't tell us, yeah, this is your pikin. Like she don't die for beleo, so she can't come out. We're going to need to operate on you for the pikin to come out. And she said, no, my pikin not feed that at all. So she said she won't go to toilet, but they don't let her go. Now she just do some kind, Now everybody just come outside and say, she's coming out, oh, she's coming out, oh, she's coming out, oh, she's coming out, oh. Now they rush, carry me, Now since then, now they give me Ubvi and it tunes are God's power. I really appreciate today. Yes.
Yes.
I really appreciate today. All right, we can talk about myself. My name is Ubvi, and welcome to Talk.
Yes.
The show where they talk as a bee. We know they hold anything back at all. So the ladies then, the wonderful, beautiful ladies, the ladies where they make my day very wonderful. And I appreciate each and every one of them. They're going to talk about themselves one by each.
Oh, yes. My name is still Betiana Unweli. And boy, you know I love you.
I love you too, Betiana.
My name now Maka Okudiafo. Now good afternoon. I go make sure say Ubvi cry today. Yes. All right, my mission not be to make Ubvi cry. My mission is to make her enjoy her day.
Thank you.
And I don't make myself available. Say she must enjoy today. So
thank you.
Enjoy your day, but my name still remains Queen Bee.
Obalo.
All right, as you know, as they be now, we'd always tell you about things where they happen for Nigeria and Obodo Yibo. But you were there out there, you go put your mouth inside. Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Betiana, your eyes, I don't know. I didn't feel that. Just look your own camera,
Betiana,
please.
You wear that man clothes today.
I don't wear them, my sister. Not be woman head in my head.
I didn't feel that.
I don't understand though.
I didn't feel that.
Say they look her.
I didn't feel that. But anyway, I'm not ready to talk. I don't know whether they're not ready to talk.
We are ready, oh!
Are you ready to talk?
Are you ready, boy? See, I'm not looking, so they look my camera straight.
All right. Our first story today, this one is actually strange story because I don't understand how person could just sit down and talk, say, I don't just like this life anymore. Make I just enter another place. So you're going to need to hear the story. Some of these Oyibos, them, you think say they're weird. Yes, you did right. If you talk to Oyibo, people say they are nuts. Now 2 nuts they come out, then you did right. Because now, they talk say 100 of these Oyibo people, they don't agree to go on a one-way mission to Mars and never return to planet Earth. See them, you go to see their faces. 100 of them don't talk say, I don't like Earth again. I want to travel go Obodo Mars.
Oh, wow.
I want to go to the sky. Where Mars even there, as in, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. When Mars
My
stay?
dream is to fly over the rainbow so high.
Jesus Christi. They want go. You see how their face fine, so 100 of them. Doctor say they want go Mars. And this one go make sure say they no one call. They not go come Nigeria. Yeah, say Nigeria. They not go come Earth again. Okay. They not go come Earth again. They say they don't agree. Say they want die for Mars. They don't agree. Say they want die for Mars. They say out of these people, so the shortlist of candidates from more than 200,000 people to just 50 men and 50 women. They say a third of them Americans, among people will be science fanatics, they're inside, Trekkies, they're inside, physics majors, they're inside, engineers, and even doctors, all of them plenty inside, even singer. Therefore, inside the people where don't talk, say, I don't tire for planet Earth, I want start to live for inside Mars, and a day I want die. So we bring our mental with talk studio now because today now our throwback Thursday. Yes. Yes, throwback Thursday. So I go need to ask you now. If you get opportunity like this, you go fit do this kind of thing, come out for planet. Because you know waiting, make we consider things where they happen. As in our naira they devalue, our economy don't bad, security issue we they suffer from them. Till now we see they try to fight Boko Haram. So you go feel wake up one day talk say, I don't tire for this earth where I don't stay. I want to start staying in the Mars. I want to go Jupiter. Okay, you want to be Jupiter. I want to go stay for Jupiter.
Pluto. We make I tell you something. As in, Two-Face been done singing before. Nobody want die, but they want go heaven. The thing be say, it no easy. No electricity. Sun dey hot for this part. Things they expensive. No car for everybody. Now some people they drive the car. But I tell you, it's sweet. This life is sugar rubber for body. Nothing except Baba got us a time don't reach. Now if he talk say okay yes, it don't reach, make I go rest. That one now when I don't reach like 120. Sure. Now I never ready to go at all. I go lie down, pray for my children, and tell them good night. And in the morning they go put me for where I want rest. But say I decide on my own, say I won't go turn to one kind of animal where head go big leg. If God no say Jupiter, I be Mars day okay for us. Now there we for day.
I tell you, they not there.
Yeah, so why you want change God plan? Make una reach first. 2 months they go come back.
Well, for me, I not go say everything that they do no good, I be then they change plan or anything because I just want to look at from the angle of say then they adventurous. And me, if I be very adventurous person, I feel no they adventurous at the point of Mars, but I guess certain things where I feel wake up one day say, okay, I really want to try this thing. Maybe I feel decide say I want to actually join astronauts, go visit another planet, but no besides I go one go turn that to my permanent residence. When Earth they know haba. But person must do them. Really, person must do them for us to know the benefits and the negativities where they inside. So as I don't choose to go and you know if you go, and I support we go support them.
Yeah, true. Because if me I get opportunity, say I won't go the place. Like you talk, as much as I would like, they very adventurous. No be to go Mars. I feel travel go another place, but no be Mars. But these people don't say they won't go. You know, go bad if they go. Maybe hear report as Mars take be.
No, but they say they won't live there.
Now if they
report.
No, now
they go know as they go take they give us feedback.
No,
so because if you even listen, if you taste like go do something, they don't already they do like dummy planning or this. Okay, this is how it go be. Now here then go stay for one kind cubicle like that.
I see the cubicle.
One cubicle like that. Then go there 3 inside one tiny thing like that.
I could really want to know whether human beings stay for Mars.
The information we get, they say my only issue be this thing where they go Mars. As okay, it's good as they say they won't go live there, then they come back. Because nobody saw them talk say people will go sun that time they carry Apollo come back. Make them no carry another thing come back.
Yeah.
So they say they won't go make them stay there.
Because we just fight Ebola finish.
So
many
people know where it come from.
Yes, we don't know where it come
They
from.
talk saying a tree, monkey. They don't talk different things.
One day monkey go open mouth oh, make una leave me. Serious. Monkey go open mouth say una leave me. HIV they say na monkey. Now again they carry Ebola they say na monkey. Why?
At least they share it bird flu.
Bird flu.
So nobody monkey.
I like the fact that they're actually their adventures, like what you talk. I like the fact that they don't decide that they want to go other planets to see how everything they run. But I don't know. I know. Say I don't sit down one day ask myself, okay, all these planets, all these Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, how that place be?
wetin they won't go check now.
Exactly.
But they don't go there, come back. They don't give
No,
news.
they never go.
Okay, they don't go there, come back.
Some people don't go
Don't go
mass
now.
before.
What did they talk?
Yes,
What did they
and some
talk?
people don't go mass before.
Okay.
They go, they come, they say, actually, say human beings feel live there. They don't even build one cubicle there already, and the thing don't feel sustain about some
It
time.
be like head,
well,
they see
for
sound
the
and
picture
everything.
where we see, it be like say na rock. Whether na rock, whether na I no fit tell you wetin it be.
Go Google am. Be like say you dey there.
Strange things are happening. Strange things.
Mwaka, mwaka.
But as we talk, we go to pray for them. We have no choice but to pray for
Yes,
them.
sir.
All right, make we enter inside Nigeria because our Nigerian people, they get sense. Yeah. Not be Oyibo wey just sit down and talk say they want travel go mass.
When you eat pepper,
Our Nigerian people
pepper.
get sense. If they tell you say lion dey this forest, Nigerian man go piante. But if na Oyibo,
I won't go greet her.
I need to go
No, I
see
need
the
to be
lion.
sure.
I need to be
It
very
be like
sure
say
the
the
lion
lion,
is
the
there.
You know whether na he or na she.
But Nigerian man don't piante. He don't reach your house. He don't even leave you where be your wife.
No, Lord,
He go there for the chance say, Betty, I don't go run. You don't go run.
Why you say na me you use?
Because you're my love. All right, so make we move on. Make we enter to Nigeria. Now, Ake Osakioduwa, my wonderful, wonderful brother in the ministry. Now, in the come outside, share some kind tips them. In the come outside, share some kind few marriage tips. And this one are under a regular show will be True Talk Tuesday, where you don't hashtag on top Twitter. Now, IK, we know say IK married for inside 2008, and now he don't share tips where he talk plenty things. I go just read few of them. He talk say, every man, they need a man cave. A space where the man go own. That's out of band. Say, this space where the man go own, na place where in wife, and even in pikins them, go just leave and for once, make he just stay there alone. Hashtag True Talk Thursday. He say now where the man go fit breathe, now be that place. He calls it talk another one. He say make sure you take out time to love yourself. He say most times people they learn how to treat you from how they see you treat yourself.
Word.
Okay, and make I read more.
Yes.
Okay.
They hear you.
And then because he talk another one, he say you your man cannot be cured of checking chicks. He say he can only be cured of chasing them, but never checking them. So all you women out there where they feel say you go fit tell your man say stop looking at that girl, stop it. And you tell her say you are supposed to, you as a Christian you're supposed to stop looking at.
You're always
at
supposed
all
to
those-
look at your
Yeah,
Bible
look,
and
look at your Bible and look at the woman.
Some go turn the head like this.
For inside church,
For inside car, sef. Maybe in the drive, hold up. Go turn the head like this.
IK has come outside to talk. He say you not fit cure the man, say make he not look woman because now God give him the eye. He say he can only be cured of chasing them, but never of checking them. And the last one where I go read where he talk, he say never prioritize your relationship with your kids over your relationship with your husband. Because most women they put their kids first before their husband.
my
He say,
pikin.
no.
Nothing fit happen. Hey, they go. Hey, my pikin.
According
Meanwhile,
to
the
Ram,
husband, they say,
the
darling, come.
husband must come first. He said they will eventually leave you. And at the end of the day, now your husband and I go stay with you.
Yeah.
Hashtag True Talk
Talk.
Tuesday. But we don't bring up enter Thursday, will be our old school.
Talk.
True Talk Thursday. So, ladies, all these tips where IK or Sakudua don't actually been come out. What think you go talk about the tweets? Talk about the tips then.
May I talk about the one where it was say relationship with your pikin, you know, carry relationship with your pikin on top your husband and wife relationship. True, that one makes sense. Because the be like say, you know, say they get what TV that they like to say, men go to say, I know this my wife. So when she get belly like this, she could just forget me. Now only the pikin. She want the pikin like this, now the pikin. She don't even get my time again. Yes, I feel say, it be like say don't they don't they rampant. See when women just get belly, now the belly they go focus on. They don't even get time for the men again. And they are pikin number one. You don't talk. Yesterday I talked this to say my pikin.
Where I can say,
Where I can say no, our pikin. So you don't used to am say we go there, pikin, my pikin. The man dey there. My pikin, my pikin never chop. The man never chop. My pikin never chop. My pikin never. Hey, the man dey there now. The man too go dey feel say he need love. So true, it go make sense if we try, you know, level lamb, not just abandon the man like that. Chook head inside the man own too. Still get the pikin for side.
Well, for me, I go say no matter what, you go just finance it talk. You just find how you take share the cake, make it reach everybody. Cut give husband in size, cut children their own size, give them, because no matter what, now the husband naim still make sure say those children they with you. Now the love way show you naim make you fit. Get the opportunity to take love somebody else. So you no go take them off the scene and say, oh, now me and my pikin. And one of my friends tell me, say, since where she born, say now she and her pikin they lie down for bed. That's the husband they feel like that. Now I say, why you don't drive and come out? That time now go get time to do midnight calls with girl. You understand? Because you don't drive and go. You don't take your pikin turn to your husband. Yeah. And I tell you, you no go feel continue with your get long. When the pikin don't reach 15, you know if you sleep with her.
Of course.
For the same
How you go put your 15?
Yeah, no, just even talk. Say you understand now. So make you a beg. No drive your husband come off for bed. Let the husband stay and let the pikin stay in your own space.
Well, definitely, I can really see I'm talking even on top of the man cave own. Because I remember when I day young, my papa said get your own man cave. Only say we don't call him man cave. Maybe not the funkinized name.
Yeah.
They call him man cave.
Then we they call him study.
Okay.
You dare not enter my papa's study. You enter him, you don't enter trouble. Now flog, koboko. Then I go use flog. No, the only time where you feel enter now, maybe in there and in call you sometimes because my papa and a person really like books. Okay. So you go see plenty books for inside that study and then all the work things and things. And now they're in the pray join. So once he don't enter his study like this, even if person won't die, he go wait until he comes from inside that study. Now the rule be that for my house. So really, I feel recognized now with what I can talk. And then for the prioritizing of this thing, like when we talk, you need to know as to you go share the cake. Because I don't see situations where papa the jealous pikin, pikin the jealous papa, wife the jealous pikin, on top say papa. And like so you need to know as you go. And it boils down to communication as well. If anything they go wrong, the husband has to know as he go tell the wife, say, you don't they give this pikin priority. Okay, no worry now, go outside. Just shake and so she go say, ah, honey, don't be so now. And then gradually, you know, go fit settle them. Not be say if she they do, because sometimes now unconsciously.
Yes.
Woman don't they God don't build woman in such a way say once they see pikin, they go their body they melt one kind.
Yeah,
so you need to call them back, say, madam, not like this they do. Remember saying that me and you start this workout, and definitely she go enter the whole skin back.
Another one way enter my head. When I can talk say
cannot be cured of checking man.
Yeah, checking man.
No,
hey,
I
and that one even
that
sweet
standard.
me.
So I don't even shook my to
You know why I want to talk about it for this one. If women, even when they never marry, and the man they check girl out. You know what they're supposed to do? Instead of you, they force the man eye. You say, follow, look, the girl say, wow, she fine.
Why go look girl say she fine?
Now start to take drag the eye, come back now.
You go find your own
go turn the head.
No, you go
Look for another boy they look now.
man too. Say, and that, but that man fine pass this girl where they check out. So inside go come back to reality.
No, see.
No,
when
they
they
look
drive, for
another
example, when they drive, they look woman, you look and
Just
keep
allow
quiet.
and look first.
Just you when you
Yes,
go
sir.
see and say, man, see as this guy say.
See.
You go see say go talk. Who be
You
that?
go son. You're gonna say I'm seeing car. Oh, I love the way we're cutting hair.
What are the days when women need to invest on top of that one?
I did
Because
tell
really, men go always look.
Yes,
Not
I
just
am.
men, women go always look. We get eyes now. God don't give us eyes. Or you want me your husband blind, or you want me your wife blind.
No, but
I don't understand.
Not true, yeah.
We must
Looking is
surely
allowed.
look. Like we did here now. If man pass away, if man sexy or the man
Everybody
dress
gonna
well,
fine.
we
I
go
have
look.
fine
Before.
boy.
If men they here, woman pass, woman dress well, he go look.
You go look.
The only way problem then now, if after the look you can't go inside the
You can't still look
Your-
Zanga again.
You understand? And at that problem, then when you have to go into the bush to fetch or to all the bush meat, then at that wahala there. But if you just there for sides, just they look,
Just
just
admire the
admire the
forest.
bush meat, say,
Just say, I like how this monkey they jump up and down.
It's
you see how she
understandable.
shine it.
you are a tourist. You are a tourist. It is understandable. But the part I actually take from inside, I can actually talk plenty of things. The part I also take from inside now, the part of the cave. Say men actually need their own space. But me, I'd always like balance everything. Women need their own space too.
Oh,
yeah.
definitely.
They need their own space.
When I marry, I go get my cave. My husband go get
Yeah,
a cave.
women
so
need their
when
own
he get a
space.
cave, we go know who go tire out of the cave matter.
I think both people need their own space. Now, just for you to recognize when your wife needs her space,
Space
and when you
need your
and
space.
when your husband needs
Need
your own
his
space. Happy?
Yeah, it makes sense.
All right, producer don't tell me say time don't day for us to go on a break. We're going to need to enter inside the market. When we come back, plenty things today for us to Sonj give you on Top Talk today. We come back. All right, we are back. We're back, and it's still my birthday.
I didn't wait when she
before
talk that
uncle.
thing. I was like, no, say she go talk. I just didn't wait. I said she not talk.
If
But
your
talk.
birthday-
We don't allow we to box.
Yeah,
Oh, Shawty,
Euphoria.
it's your birthday. We're gonna party like it's your
birthday.
birthday.
Why
We're
is
all
gonna
the
drink
song now
water
Shakira dey
'cause
dance?
it's your birthday. And you know we're gonna party 'cause it's your birthday.
They're checking for his birthday.
Shocky don't spoil everybody.
Chucky don't spell or dance.
You dey dance blues, they dance shocky song. blues.
You know the do blues like
I'm gonna play romantic song. You're not gonna know. You go just like.
So people not able to be any other step apart from
Not
Chucky.
you.
like Obi Martins. Obi Martins doesn't sabi any dance again.
No dance.
Chuku Matthew.
Everybody, they
Hey,
don't sabi.
Jesus.
Shame on you that you cannot sabi
Mention
other
it
dance.
now.
All right, let's go anyway.
All right, look, we do our last story for today before we tell you other things. Then we'll be carry take join body today, and this one concerns Olamide. Now the YBNL boss Olamide
Daddy
Adedeji.
Milano.
Yes, so.
Yes.
Baba Milano. Bades.
Bad.
And I think
Oh, yeah,
that.
oh, yeah,
If you
yeah,
go
yeah.
Instagram page now, Daddy Milano. So.
Okay.
No fear.
I dey
Benin
concur.
Nation.
Now the YBNL boss Olamide Adedeji, he don come outside reveal in best music producer. And he talk say in best music producer for inside Nigeria na ID Kabasa. Because this man don dey very influential for inside this career wey they do so.
Yes.
He come make this one known for the tweet where he tweet with the award-winning presenter Kimani Adekeye. He come using the hashtag Kimani of Air. Olamide wey refer to ID Kabasa as our daddy. Also talk say he meet a genius beat maker and feels through Mr. Kabasa. Now when they call ask him on top the tweet chat, the one job where he no fit do, he come outside talk say, what be this one? Abosi and AK gossiping. Oh,
Abosi
and AK. Okay, say na gossiping, and because he's too tasking. Say to gossip, say it costs him too much, so he no need to enter inside gossiping at all. So he can also talk say in best female celebrity crush wey he get na veteran Yoruba actress Iya Rainbow. Olamide has come outside to talk in best producer, and also he come outside talk something, one job where he no fit do, and he could come outside talk in best female celebrity crush. Ladies and gentlemen, number one, who your best producer be? Number yes, who your best producer be? Number two, tell us the job where you no fit do at all. And number three, tell us the celebrity crush where you get.
Arrange your question.
I know that.
3 in 1. Number one,
1A, B, C.
who be your best producer?
Our best producer be the person who influence
Person
our
will
life more.
influence us.
I don't know, but that thing influence your life more.
You
Or
say producer.
say na best producer. Okay, make I put her for influence.
Yeah, put them for influence so that we fit talk.
So tell
Yes.
me the person will influence your life more. Number one. Number two, the job where you not fit to,
Okay.
no matter what. And number three, tell me your celebrity crush. All right, tell us your celebrity crush.
Okay, first of all, when you say best producer, me, I don't get best producer.
No influential, I don't change
But
that.
the person where
Influential.
we say really don't influence my life, especially for the career where I get right now, nah, my bros, Ike Osakiodowa, because when I know nothing about media and I decide to narrate and I really want to now, only Ike I really see around me. Naim basically train me, give me everything what I need, tell me, say, okay, now like this you go do. Sometimes I go do and I go tell you, say, no be so. You go come and say, why you not doing like this? And it really, really, really don't help me. So I say big shout out to you, bros. Thanks a bunch. And then the second question, waiting I no go feed do. I don't know. I dey hustle. Because it gets certain things that people go say, this thing a dirty job. I fit do anything, handwork, you know. No matter how dirty it is, as long as I say, okay, I decide I want to do this thing and I go do them. But anything where you say go bring shame, I no go fit do them.
And what be that thing? You fit sell your body?
I no go fit sell my body.
Okay,
I no
is
go
that the
fit
thing?
thief. I no go fit do jazz things, say I want to do money. I no go fit do all those things.
Okay.
And then the final question, my celebrity crush. Okay, I actually don't get Nigerian celebrity crush.
Okay, whoever you
Terrence,
like.
you know.
No, yeah.
But my celebrity crush for Obodo worldwide, I am Terrence J on Instagram. Terrence Jenkins. I love you, baby. I love you. Mwah.
Next.
She don't follow am tire. She don't follow her. All her pictures, she dey tag Terrence and Jenkins inside. All her pictures.
Okay.
She don't
She's good,
follow
she's
her.
good.
And the guy not even get conscience.
Follow her
Back. Or even put maybe all those symbols don't they there if you don't want to talk. Just
No,
put symbols.
wait,
Smile.
no, I don't like the way where you
Smile.
talk about Terrence like that.
I'm
Terrence is
sorry.
a busy person. He never noticed.
Understand
When
that
he
why.
noticed, I understand them.
Wait till you just talk now. Wait till they happen to some women where they are there. You know, say your husband they beat you. You go just talk, say no. He's a very loving person.
And he actually
But not
loves
my
you.
husband.
They are fighting for
Amaka,
them.
no, yeah.
He don't know side eggs.
Amaka thought
Okay,
the truth,
okay,
my own
okay.
go full basket.
Yeah. Okay, my own very briefly. Very influential person for my life. There be two people I don't talk them before. And they like sit down, they watch everything they do. Oprah Winfrey #1, thumbs up. For me on that till tomorrow. I still tried. I follow them everywhere like a fly. I think they really inspire me. And they like keep listening to everything that they talk. Be like say, someday I will become like them.
Amen.
Then let's see with the question
What
too.
you know if you do?
What I know if you do. Every honest job I go fit do. Every
Wetin you no go
honest
fit
job
do?
I no go fit do.
Why we know the answer question? Answer question.
na the question na.
And she's a
They ask
Any
Olamide,
honest
say
job.
gossiping. Olamide not talk say
What
any.
you no go fit do?
Just tell me.
No be job.
Amaka
Or-
is a Nigerian. That's how they answer question.
Okay, fine. Any honest job I no go fit do.
Which
Maybe
job dey
stealing.
honest?
Still no be
Okay.
honest job.
Okay, and now you are pointing it.
Still no be honest job. Stealing, what again? Okay, stealing. I don't fit do am. Then my celebrity crush. We don't even know say I exist. Will Smith. Till tomorrow.
Your journey far past my own.
From when I small. From when I
Your
small.
journey far past my own.
All right, for my own, be say, you know, say, I dey always talk, say, I no believe in mentorship. When I say mentorship, say, because if I want to learn something, I dey like learn and finish. I dey like make I no see mistake. So when you do mistake, not be say I no understand, say you be human being. When you do mistake, it dey take me like 5 steps backward. So wetin I dey do be say, I just take the good part where I know say they important to my life to take join wetin I want. Do you understand? I also don't understand me. I just pick like one from Betiana, one from Maka, one from Ubvi, join wetin. So I know if you come to say, oh, the 3 of them I inspire me. No, because na a combination of
them, okay.
different things. Yeah. So, but the person who I go to say inspire me the more or encourage me while the journey just dey start, because my first love na radio, na 00. She dey work for another station. Now she actually really puts me through good time. Say, no, don't talk like that. Your voice they shake, or today your pitch they high, or they low, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, 00, thumbs up. You know, saying, yeah, they talk and she they watch us right now. Then I go say the second one, waiting be the second one.
What
Job
you
wey
no
no
go
fit
fit
do.
do?
Job when I no fit do prostitution, and I hate lies. It break my heart. That now I still they come back to why I no believe in mentorship. I get short memory as a human being. I know, I acknowledge, I'm saying I dey forget things a lot. So when you tell me say something na yellow, then I don't put that from my head say na yellow. Then next to me, because say no, I tell you say na purple. It dey irritate me, and then I don't turn off with the person. So it dey take time again for me to collect you back, because I feel say okay, as you say na white, tomorrow if it be green. So they really break my heart, and I try as much as possible make I no lie to you. White lie, I feel tell you I dey come, and I never did. Yes, I feel tell you, but I'll still go there. But if I no come, I know say it go hurt you, but I'll tell you sorry, I no feel me come. I don't understand how you feel, but I go let you know. Then my celebrity crush. I first time when I say go full basket.
I know.
We know.
Because I don't already know 2 for inside.
Okay.
My
this guy
celebrity crush, na Nigerian
Don
person,
Jazzy.
and everybody know Mr. Collins.
Don
Don
Jazzy
Jazzy
again.
Yeah.
So we know
my own be that, so I know.
We know your crush.
Uwi?
Number
Who be your
J.
celebrity crush? I need the one I want to be that.
Okay, crush.
Yes.
Vector.
Huh?
Vector.
Wait,
Okay,
because I
wait.
actually dey confused. Just saying a vector, I've been at the band.
No way, Vector.
Now you talk.
See,
say
I
you,
don't
you
understand.
You say you like the band.
No, I like the band, but recently I don't understand the kind of effect wey Vector they get on me.
Okay, tell me why. 2 things.
His swag, Vector swag is mad.
Okay.
And his smile, Jesus, his dimples will come out. Ah,
white teeth.
Vector.
Viper, you know how we do.
Vector. I just like it day for yesterday. They show you music on top
And you just did dream.
TV, and I just dey see Vector. That is song. Which is that his song? I can't
King
forget
Kong.
the song. No, he get one song. He get one song where he sing, where the girls just did the
You can't invest for those
Yes.
girls.
And-
Okay, I know the song.
And
I
you
know
know
the
what?
song.
Tell me the song again.
Now we go they play her yesterday. Now you carry something. She got it. She got.
Yeah, that song.
And you know why I like Vector?
Tell me.
Vector, no. Yeah, fine girl, you got it, you got it, you got it. And Victor just stand as the
swag.
And you know one thing with Vector? Vector, right from when he just started music career, I never still see Vector change. And up till now, the artist who I never see tattoo for anybody.
Oh, that's why I like
You
him.
don't have football.
You know, and also
see.
because we need to go on the break, and that person who actually influenced me very much, na Christian Amapo. I really love her.
Okay.
Every time when they watch her interview, I just want to be like her.
woman.
I just want to be like her. Anyway, we're going to need to pass more break right about now. But enter Twitter, tell us the person who influenced your life, or they influence your decision, and also tell us the job where you not fit do, and tell us your celebrity crush. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Go and talk your own for there. We they come back.
Good morning every day. Chatting, laughing, happily. What do? We have to survive. I wish you a happy birthday.
Okay, but actually we have video of where we want to play.
Yes, our video
Yes.
of the day.
We get video of the day, so our producer is going to give us the video of the day.
In the year 1974, I traveled to Uvbi, my country. In the year 1974, I traveled to Uvbi, my country. When I dey travel, I carry some paper with me. I carry some one or soup to Uvbi, my country.
They call you Bini Princess, but I call you Ogimose.
Ubvi, happy birthday to you.
From my heart.
Happy birthday to you, Ubvi. I get plan for you.
The wisdom and grace of God upon your life with no mileage.
Happy birthday to you. We long life, properties, and prosperity. I wish you all the best of what you wish yourself.
And many more years to come.
Long life and prosperity. Hello. Today na birthday now. Happy birthday. I just tell him happy. Make now tell us happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Bini Princess. Yes, today na your birthday.
Salut Ubvi. J'ai entendu dire qu'aujourd'hui c'est votre anniversaire, alors je voudrais vous souhaiter bon anniversaire.
It's wonderful knowing you as a friend, and I'm glad that I'm here to celebrate this new year with you.
KJPP Baiday.
Happy birthday, we wish you long life and prosperity.
To malama Ubvi yau ranar haihuwanki kina birthday. To Allah baki miji mai kyau. Allah ƙara miki shekara da shekaru a wannan duniyar namu. Allah baki kuɗi da yawa, kuma Allah baki zaman lafiya. Ke yarinya ce mai kyakkyawan hali, kuma Allah baki abin da zai miki albarka kowane yaushe.
It is the most calm, easy lady. Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hey, happy birthday. Love you plenty. Mwah.
Happy birthday, my babe. May you live long. You go live past your mama, your close, your grandmama, your grandpapa, your grandsister, your granduncle, your grandpapa, your granduncle. Every gang person, you go live past them.
Happy birthday, long life and prosperity.
Say happy birthday to Ubvi. I mean, God go bless you plenty.
Ubvi, Princess of Wazobia.
Wishing you all the best of today.
Happy birthday to you. This is your new age, and you shall rock it together.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my darling.
Oh God, you guys are too much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Best birthday ever. Best birthday.
You know, when you did good from your heart of heart, you know, say they do something. I tell you, people around you now then go make you know. Who knows? Say, you know, I go come meet Ubvi, 2014, 2015, and still counting. Happy birthday, darling.
So, Ubvi, how you take feel now when you watch that and finish? Now I want to interview you.
Yes,
you know, me, I don't know why I be like this. I be one kind of person where you, as in, not you see my tears, as in.
So after everything I always feel, you never say one
but I almost cry, but because of my profession, because of how professional I am, I had to take the tears in. I had to take the tears in. But this birthday just did very different. It just, as in, I just did so happy to get special people around me. Yes, as in, I don't tell her before, say the love is just too much. I don't get a headache.
I never see where love they give us
because it just be like that they do wedding. Yeah, it just be like that they do wedding. Meanwhile, it's just my birthday. Thank you so much to everybody, our producers. Thank you so much to everybody.
We give you a happy, but you don't talk too much.
Okay, I don't.
Can I present my cook of the day?
Yes, please present your cook of the day.
So, cook of the day right about now is going to be.
But before cook of the day, we actually get something where our producers supposed to help us with.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yes.
Not for me again, please.
Who are you?
Hey.
Mr. Producer, how to interrupt my cocoa of the day?
Are you kidding me?
Interrupt my cocoa of the day.
You are my African queen. Ooh, Lord. Just like the sun, light up the earth, you light up my life. The only one I ever see with a smile so bright. And just yesterday, you came around my way. You changed my horse in way with your astonishing beauty. Oh, you couldn't make a brother sing. No ordinary thing, a supernatural being. And no, you are brighter than the moon, brighter than the star. I love you just the way you are. And you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go ding-a-ling-a-ling. Oh, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. And you remind me of a thing, and that is champion. You stand as one, they are standing one. I look into your eyes, girl, what I see is paradise. Hey, you captivated my soul. Now every day I want you more. I cannot deny this feeling I'm feeling inside. Hey, no one cannot take your place. You cannot take your space. That is a fact I cannot erase. And no, you are the one that makes me smile. Make me float like a boat upon the Nile. Girl, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. You take me where I never been. You make my heart go ting-a-ling-a-ling. Yeah, you are my African queen, the girl of my dreams. And you remind me of a thing, and that is the African beauty. And I know, oh yes I know, you are my African queen. And I know, see I know what I am feeling in my heart and in my soul. Oh, I know that it's this love, and I know that this love was surely sent from up above, 'cause you're the only one that I think of. I say anything them do not go do it, no not go do it, no not go do it, no. Anything them do not go do it, no not go do it, no not go do it, no. And today now your day, God the win. Hey, hey. Now your Baiday today, God the win. Hey, okay. God the win.
But no, say I actually talk say today I go make sure say water come out from Ubvi. Not because say I don't love him, but because I actually need to let her know say the whole world actually love Princess Sarah Ubvi Etinosa soy.
Thank you. Who do this video?
You go find out because I
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank
now we want
you.
to do one thing.
Don't do now.
No, wait.
Wait,
Face me. I need you to face me.
Okay.
No, shake your head.
No
Just
shake
look me.
your
Maintain
head.
this eye contact because we get huge surprise for you.
Just they like that.
Just
all right,
meditate.
Mr. Producer.
They think
So
of what you want most right now for this life. They think of what you need most for this life. What you really want right no. Make a wish.
And your wish might
Today,
just
I
come
be your
true.
genie according to Oyibo people.
So, maybe just they see him.
Yes.
Gradually.
Yes.
What's that, please?
Gradually.
Yes.
No worries.
Gradually.
Yes.
Gradually.
You go find out. No worries.
Yes.
Small.
Respect yourself.
Yes.
Okay, cake. All right.
Happy birthday!
Oh my God.
Yes.
Hold this one.
Okay.
Yeah, hold this one.
Okay.
This one on the behalf of Talk ladies, we say we enjoy your day. Yes. So this is for you.
Okay.
Plenty talk there, but we'll just read few.
Just few one.
Just read some. Let me see. Where I choose one. From Shaggy. More smiles on you always. Joy in your life. Success locates you from MC Shaggy. Then from Adora, love you always. Adora. Loads of love. We happy birthday. Cheers. Go Che. Yes. Who be this person? This person no writing it. Che. Happy birthday, Edo Chick. Edo Chick of life. Happy birthday, Ubvi. Wish you many more greetings. Hey, Jesus. Oh yeah, come on, Mara. Did you have too many? All right, this one comes from Praise himself, the artist. He say happy birthday to you and God bless. Then Chidima Miss Katie Kelly speaker. On this one, she say, I love you, baby. Happy birthday.
Yes. Now we get Cocoa of the Day, and we got plenty people to talk about.
Just have not gone to break for our Cocoa of the Day.
No, I'm good at Cocoa of the Day.
Okay.
Yes. And we get Elenu in the house.
Elenu.
Baba
Give a shout out. Give a shout out.
Yes. We don't say when you shout, we say shout out. We get Eno. Yeah, so for the Good Morning Nigeria crew, and we get Ogbolo in the building. Yeah. And in case you need to know that video we wanna watch, Ogbolo make sure say everything go on well. Get all the pictures, all the shout outs. Ogbolo, Femi, and what will be a sound man name? Again. All of the sound people.
Annie. Video I do.
Yes, all of them make sure our crew member, the We TV as family, we say happy birthday to you. We will love you. Now, so we they celebrate. And if you want to join us, why not follow us on top Twitter, Facebook, everything.
It's as a we go and marry.
All right, Cocoa of the Day.
Yes, Cocoa of the Day. Sharply. Straight to the point.
Yes.
Today's family man and family man of the 70s. How una go fit differentiate them now?
All right, we get Elenu. We'll try and give Elenu.
You go share from our microphone now. Yeah, share from our microphone. Share from Betiana own.
The question: the days of your fathers for marriage and the days of your days now. What will be the difference?
As family man.
As family man.
Because I learned in a family man.
Yes.
My papa no buy recharge card.
So now the difference with that.
My papa no buy recharge card. You no buy phone.
Okay.
You no pay 72 tubers of yam. All these things I pay for them.
All right. All right, Ogbolo.
My papa just go farm.
Okay.
My they come from stream.
Neither jam.
Just see.
Everything just gone body together.
Just done.
What about you, Ogbolo?
No, that's the same thing now. That's our papa time, their own time.
Everything
they believe much more in the real love.
Yes, now.
Not be say any other thing must join now.
Now it's computerized love.
But now computerized love. Now some other things must join the team before it makes sense.
Okay.
So.
All right, Eno.
I know you must speak the pidgin. You must speak am.
If you now want make us speak pidgin, that's around phone.
If you get wetin?
If they get kobo.
If you don't get 1,000 naira,
what is
you get kobo. Yes. So you go follow.
Yes.
Okay, my people, now what you can enter and go come the day, rush up like to enter and talk Wazobia. I mean, I tell us waiting be the difference between our fathers of those days and fathers of today.
Yes.
What about now when they go on back to Ubvi? Ehiga Mosoe?
She still didn't read that card.
She didn't read that card. Okay, maybe we'll tweet.
Now her Baiday. Well, we they get tweets from different people. Right now, we get from at Clementina Paul. She talks, say, I dey feel una for my office, so the cakes na die.
Yes,
I saw you on TV.
Another person they talk at Miriam530. She talks, say, at Talk Wazobia, my late grandmother now my greatest influence, and I no go ever fit sell my bedle and my body for anything. And my celebrity crush now at Big Caesar 02. All of us know who the Big Caesar is. Our Caesar.
Miss call. No network.
All right, let's go.
Another person at Clementina Paul say, the only job where I no go fit do as Queen Bee talk na prostitution.
Yes.
At Blessing_BS talk Wazobia. We na your birthday cake be this, but you go come pick the cake for Kaduna. She come put picture of the cake.
For Kaduna.
For Kaduna.
I get address for there. You go send and go there.
Person they talk about the video of the day, they say, I beg, where una see this my bros video? So wonderful.
All right, so thank you.
Now, on top the old school video we played today, now in that person they talk. And then finally, the last one we get for today, another person, still Clementina. Clementina, they show us plenty love today. Maybe not because it's Ubvi Baiday.
Yes.
At Clementina_Paul, she talks, say, babes, una they shine like shine, babes. Nothing do una. I they badu una tori.
We sprinkle shine top.
Yes. All right. Thanks a bunch to all those who don't send us. We don't send us messages, and thanks a bunch to all my wonderful friends. Yeah.
Okay.
She don't cry.
Okay, so guests for inside the building?
Yes, so there's a little.
I know the guest.
Okay.
I work here.
You want to introduce yourself?
Help me one.
Have you always talk to talk about batting but
Making a way to talk about.